going to prepare Cornflakes Chaat. Let's get started. I have cornflakes, onion, tomato, coriander, Bhujia Sev, salt, chilli powder, chaat masala and lemon. First I am going to add onions. And tomato. Coriander. Red chilli powder. Chaat masala. And salt. And I'm going to mix it. Now add cornflakes and bhujia. Add lemon and mix it. And mix it. Cornflakes Chaat is ready. Serve immediately. Let's taste now. Yummy! Awesome! I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends!